Yes, everyone needs a winning Keno 10 spot to change the Keno machine algorithm. This first 10 spot is AI Keno numbers from Bing Copilot and Bard AI and My Lucky Keno numbers. So subscribe and win more at Keno with AI Keno strategies. Okay, let's see how we do with this first bonus round. Bet at max, coin is 5. Cool. 5 out of 10, good way to start. All right, 4 out of 10. Another 4 out of 10. Ah, even better, a 5 out of 10. Another one. Cool, 4 out of 10. Copy these AI Keno numbers and my lucky Keno numbers for your next casino visit. Cool, 4 out of 10 for the last play. Yes. Yes, what got us into this bonus was another 5 out of 10 for a total of 230 credits. Yes, change your Keno machine algorithm and win more often at Keno. Let's capture our next AI Keno 10 spot. Okay, typical for us is to now play our lucky AI Keno 4, 5, 6, or 7 spot. When the Keno machine goes cold, then we switch to one of our 10 spots and change the Keno machine algorithm. Yes, let's beat the casino with our next AI Keno 10 spot. Okay, bet at max, the coin is 5. Cool, 4 out of 10. Yes, a 6 out of 10. Pause this video now and copy these lucky Keno numbers for your next casino visit. 5 plays to go. Cool. Yes, another 6 out of 10. Last play coming up. And we'll take it. It's a 4 out of 10. Yes, 5 out of 10 got us into this bonus round. Okay, can we do better? Let's try a different strategy with our new AI Keno numbers. Okay, let's see how this turns out with our next bonus round. Okay, when you've got a cold Keno machine, switch to one of our 10 spots using your lucky Keno numbers and our AI Keno numbers. Subscribe for more free AI Keno strategies and beat the casino. Okay, let's put this strategy to the test and see how we do at this final bonus round. Okay, bet at max, and the coin is 5. Okay, if you want to win at Keno, pause this video and copy these AI Keno numbers and my lucky Keno numbers. Yes, 7 out of 10. Now that's the way to start a bonus round. 700 credits. Cool. 4 out of 10, we'll take it. Huh. We're on a roll, 5 out of 10. Last play coming up. 4 out of 10. Cool. Wait for it. Wait for it. A 7 out of 10 got us into the bonus round for an additional 350 credits. Total 1,150 credits for this bonus round. What are you waiting for? Subscribe now and join the YouTube AI Keno community. And let's just have fun. Beginners. AI Keno strategies, advice, hacks, and free AI Keno numbers in these 2 videos. You need to watch another video, and thanks for watching this video. See y'all next week.